Hello, friend. Mormo here. I'm on Gumroad. I'm on the home page of the back office of Gumroad, and I'm gonna try and create an upsell for one of my products. So let's go to checkout. Off of the menu here on the left, I'll click on checkout, and then it has discounts, checkout form, and upsells. So let's click on upsells, and it says create an upsell to get started. So let's click new upsell and name, and we're gonna say Creative Commons rights to epic fail raw Mormo footage. So we'll say Creative Commons rights to epic fail, and we'll say 36 minutes. Offer text. Enhance your learning experience. You can use Mormo's raw content let's say something really cool right here. As you will. Offer description. You get a zip file. Let's hold on a second. Let's see what they get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the PDF. So you get a zip file with 6 raw video clips of Mormo as seen in the product epic fail, the misadventures of Mormo with a Creative Commons, and we'll see what are they calling this. I'm gonna see if I can copy and paste this, because I want to be as specific as possible. So I'm going to delete that and just say license. So you can use Mormo's raw content as you will. You will get a zip file with 6 raw video clips of Mormo as seen in the product. Epic Fail: The Misadventures of Mormo with the Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International License. Add another product to the cart. Replace the version selected with another version of the same. Apply to these products. Let's see. Uh-oh. Product to offer. Oh no. Oh, this sucks. I wanted to upload something. You can only offer another product. Oh my God. Let's try this. Apply to this product. That won't work. Oh man, I don't know what to do. Darn it. This is turning into a fail video. I thought this was gonna work, but apparently I have to upload a product. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this video. Hello friends, so here I am at Creative Commons rights to Epic Fail Raw. This is raw, Epic Fail raw footage with Creative Commons license. This is the zip file I uploaded. I created a new product that is my Creative Commons product, and I'm gonna click Save Changes, and I'm gonna click see, like I went to well, I'll click Publish and Continue. And you can see I had to create this image on Canva, a presentation to make the cover photo. And then I had to do a square image on Canva for the thumbnail. And I copied and pasted all of that info into my product. And now I'm going to go down here, show this product on your Gumroad profile. I'm going to click No, and then click Save Changes. So this is not going to show on my Gumroad profile. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Checkout. I'm going to go to Upsells. I'm going to go New Upsell. Name. I'm going to copy. I got all this copied into a notepad. Copy. Edit. Paste. Offer text. I'm gonna copy and paste. Edit, paste. Offer description, copy and paste. Edit, copy, edit, paste. Type of offer, add another product to the cart. Apply to these products. We're going to go all the way to the bottom. Epic Fail: The Misadventures of Mormo. Product to offer. And again, we'll go all the way to the bottom. Creative Commons rights. Okay, this looks good. I think I have everything done. There's like a preview of what the pop-up window will look like. And add to cart, $27. So let's click save. And cool, we have an upsell now. And that's it. And let's go look at my store real quick. And you can see I have horror hosting. I need to make a thumbnail for this product. I don't have a thumbnail. And then, but here's my new product, and if people buy it, it's priced at $1 plus, so people can pay whatever they want, whatever they feel is fair, with a minimum of $1. And if they buy, they'll be offered an upsell to get creative rights to the footage that was used in the making of this video product. And anyways, thanks so much. Hopefully you learned something.